Okay guys, so one of the common questions I get whenever I publish videos is, can I use my phone to do this job? So I've been able to gather jobs that you can do remotely from the comfort of your home just using your phone. So you don't need to have a laptop or to have tons of degrees to be able to get started. All you need is just your smartphone and an internet connection, and you're good to go. Now these jobs are good for parents that stays at home, or students, or anybody that is looking to make extra money with their spare time while they're at home. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to share with you these jobs, where you can find them to apply, and how much you can potentially make doing this job. But before we get right into it, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and I share my knowledge, my experience, my tips, everything I know so far on this channel, so you know where to get started. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and be part of our growing community. Now that being said, so the first job we want to talk about is translating with your phone. Now this job is good for people that can speak more than one language. So if you stay in a country where they have more than one language that they speak, and you can speak multiple languages, then you might want to consider doing this job. All you have to do is just to download the app and register by signing in, and then you're good to go. You'll be receiving translation jobs that you can be doing. And the best part is they have different languages from different continents. You can see languages like Igbo language from Nigeria, and you can see Filipino language, and most of the languages that are spoken in Europe are represented on that app. So if you can speak this language and you can speak English, you might want to consider doing this job. So to get started, you go and look for Steppy's app on your Play Store, or you can check it on Apple Store as well, and then you can download these apps, register and sign to start making money. Now on the average, you can make 3 cents to 12 cents per word you translate on this app, and on a monthly basis you can earn anywhere from $200 to $500 monthly doing this translation, as long as you keep getting jobs and you're available to do these jobs. So you might want to check out translation job. So the next one is multitask. This is broad because they have different jobs that fall into multitasks that anyone can do. It could be things like taking surveys, playing games, watching videos. There are also AI image labeling and data annotation. There are also things like image tagging and categorization that you can possibly do from the comfort of your home just using your phone. Now to get started doing this job, you don't really need to have tons of experience or anything. Most times they are going to train you. For example, platforms like Remote Task will always train you to be able to come and do AI image training or data annotation for them on the platform, and then you're going to receive your money once you are finished with the job. Other platforms you might want to check out are platforms like errands, where you see varieties of AI related jobs or other simple tasks that you can do from the comfort of your home. There is also Swagboss. There is user testing that allows you to do website testing that people that produce apps and websites use to test their website before they're able to launch it, and you earn money doing all this job. So if you're interested, you might want to check out Remote Tasks, Appends, or Swagbox, or usertesting.com, or ClickWorker. These are places where you can find micro tasks that you can do to get started earning money. And depending on the task you do, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per task, depending on the task you're doing and the platform on which you're doing this task. So on the average, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $1,000 monthly doing these micro tasks. So you might want to check out these platforms that I mentioned. Now, if you're someone that enjoys spending time with your phone and you like scrolling through your phone, and you're someone that don't really enjoy interacting with people physically, then the next job I'm going to mention might be the best fit for you. This is because you don't need to talk to do this job. All you have to do is to stick with your phone while you scroll. You're going to be monitoring chats and moderating chats. Now what this means is that you're going to be the police of the chat group, where you are going to monitor people's activities, take away sensitive information, and make sure that the group is engaging and fun, and make sure that nobody is violating whatever rules that has been set on this group. So you're basically going to be a social media moderator. Another related job is customer chat support. This is where you're going to be responding to customer requests via chat. So you don't need to talk to anybody. All you have to do is just focus on replying and giving valuable information and helpful information to people that may need it by chatting them up. So if this sounds interesting to you, you might want to check out Social Element app. This is a platform that allows you to do social moderation jobs. Now to get started, you just have to sign in once you have downloaded the app, and you're going to be given some assessments to do so that they can know your level and the knowledge you have about this job. And once you're good to go, you can start doing the job as a social media moderator. Alternatively, if you're interested in customer support, you might want to check out platforms like Mod Squad. where you can find chat support jobs as a mod on the platform and work freelance from wherever you are around the world. So if you're interested, just go on to these platforms that I mentioned, sign up, and you can start doing the job once you're successful with the signing up process. So on the average, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour doing this job, and on a monthly basis, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $800 doing this job. So you might want to check out these platforms and sign up just using your phone, download the apps and get started. For more squad, you can use your phone to visit the website to make application and get started. Now before we continue with the remaining jobs, if you've seen value so far in this video, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us so far. We really appreciate you. And if you're looking for the fastest way and the best way for you to make tailored job application with application tracking system compatible documents like your CV and your resume, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that you can use to make your application tailored to each job such that you can stand a better chance of getting hired. So you might want to check that out with the link in the description and of course in the comment section of this video. So if you're somebody that have some skill or you have some crafts that you can teach people about or help them troubleshoot some problems when it comes to that skill, then you might want to consider being a virtual handyman. What you're going to do basically is just to talk to people over the phone and tell them how to go about fixing the problems they may have. It could be a plumbing problem, it could be electrical problem, it could be any problem at all that people may be seeking answers to be able to fix the problems they have. So if this is something you're interested in doing, platforms like justanswer.com is a place for you to get started, or you can check out another platform, TaskRabbit, where you can get started and start giving your valuable answers to queries when it comes to the skill that you have knowledge in, so that people can be able to fix their problems, and by so doing you're giving them value and you're getting paid for it. So on the average, depending on what skill you have, you can make $5 to $30 per hour doing this job, or you can make anywhere from $200 to $1,500 monthly by simply giving people answers to the questions they may have. So you have to be knowledgeable in whatever skill you're going to be talking about, so you can stand a better chance of earning a lot of money doing this job. So you might want to check out these platforms. Now if you're someone that loves shopping or you like running errands, the next job I'm going to mention is best fit for you, because on this job all you have to do is to go to the shop, take pictures of items on the shop, and give your review about the items, or feedback about the items. So platforms like Field Agents, Geekwork, Be My Eye are some of the platforms that you can download their apps and get started by giving valuable feedbacks once you go to stores to check out the items that they may be asking you to do. Now, you don't really need to know much or to be able to have a lot of skill to do this job. You're going to be given instruction about how to do this job, and you just go in and carry it out. And this job will not really require you to stay in your home, but you can go to the local stores around you and make these reviews and give feedback. So that is basically all you're going to be doing. So on the average doing these jobs, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $20 per task doing this job. So if it's something you're interested in, check out Field Agent Guildwork, sign up with them and get started doing this job. You don't need to have any interviews before you get started. So you might want to check out all these platforms. So if you're looking for remote jobs that you can do quietly from the comfort of your home, please check out these videos. Please don't fail to like, subscribe, and if you want to make quick application, consider checking out the job bundle in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.